When you just open it, like, it looks like melanin. If melanin had like, this looks like melanin right here. Like, this looks like buttery, velvety, richity. Hey guys, what's up? Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. And today I am so excited because I'm going to be show and telling my newest highlighter. Anyone who knows me knows that I take my highlighters very seriously. And I have a couple of highlighters that I like, but so far none have compared to this new one that I just picked up. Of course, by the title, you guys know that I'm already talking about the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collab. You guys, this is the Diamond Glow Powder in the color LABRONZE, and I am completely in love with this highlighter. Girl, look, I ripped the box open. Like, I couldn't even wait to do the review because as soon as I got the package, I snatched the thing open so fast I ripped the box. I was like, well, I guess I can't do an unboxing now. If you have been under a rock and you don't know who Jackie Aina is, she's a very popular beauty blogger here on YouTube. She's definitely one of the biggest advocates for inclusion that I have seen on the internet when it comes to makeup and black women in makeup. Not a lot of companies, you know, choose to create products for such melanated skin tones, but Jackie definitely makes it her business to, you know, work with these companies or crack down on them or even call them out and let them know, you know, hey, you gotta do better because we wear makeup too. Jackie collabed with Artist Couture to create a line of highlighters, and last year she created a highlighter that was suitable for darker skin tones. Now this LABRONZE color was created specifically for darker skin tones, and I, you know, thought that, you know, I was gonna relax and it was gonna always be there. I was just gonna grab it later, and the girl is sold out and they didn't bring it back. So this year, when Jackie posted that she was coming out and releasing her LABRONZE Diamond Glow Powder as well as a new one which was called La Peach in a limited edition set, I jumped on the chance to get this powder. Now, I only got LABRONZE because that's the one that I was like literally drooling over, you know, last time. I'm kind of mad now that I didn't get La Peach too, but I just felt like, you know, it was Christmas time and I was supposed to be shopping for my family, and then I'm out here buying highlighters, and then my eyebrow pencil ran out, so I had to get another one of those. I was just buying too much makeup and it just didn't feel right around Christmas. From what I understand, La Peach is suitable for all skin tones, but this is what the Artist Couture, first of all, it's dirty. Let me, like, I have fingerprints on it. So this is what the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder looks like. It comes in this really pretty rose gold packaging with the company's logo and Jackie Aina's signature there on the bottom, and then on the back it just tells you that it is the Diamond Glow Powder in the color LABRONZE, and it has the website on the back. This is also a cruelty-free product, and it is 4.5 grams and made in the USA, so that's great, right? It is a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I can say that a little bit does go a long way with this highlighter. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I have already opened it. I'm wearing it right now, and oh bruh, this is like the best highlighter. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright, I ain't gonna wow out. Yes, your girl has blown up. Okay. Shine bright like a diamond, honey. Yes. Woo! Yes. Now, and I'm totally in love with this highlighter. It comes off as like a rose goldish color, and I'll show you guys a swatch of what it looks like. So this is what the inside looks like. She has like a little sifter on one side where you can obviously dump the product out, and then it kind of spins so you can close it off so that way it doesn't get all over your makeup bag, or you know, you can go ahead and open it up to dump a little bit out if you need to. It is a loose powder and it has a lot of shimmer in it. I'm gonna show you guys there on my arm. The swatch that I'm gonna show you guys. Now you see what that looks like? That is the most gorgeous rose gold that I have ever seen in my life. And actually I'm gonna do another swatch with some setting spray because apparently my swatches ain't that good, okay? So take two. Boom. Boom. Ew. Do y'all see that though? Like, it is literally the rose gold of all rose golds. Like, this is the perfect highlighter. It's not too bright, it's not too shiny. I don't look like a banana. Because honestly, some highlighters out there make me look like a banana. Even the ones who are supposed to be suitable for dark skin and Anastasia, I look like a banana. Or I look like a space galactic pop print. I don't know. Correct myself, it's not limited edition. I don't know why I thought that, but they were available, I guess, for pre-sale, and because I was so souped about it, like I just hopped right on it, like I just pounced on it and made sure that I got it. So I'm happy that I got it, and I will let you guys know that this is my favorite highlighter. It is a very finely milled highlighter and it is a beautiful color that very much so complements brown skin, okay? This is a do for me. Go buy this. It is $28. You can only get it from the Artist Couture website, which I believe is artistcouture.com. I will link that down below. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this powder. I love it. I love it. I love it. There's nothing else that you need to know about this powder besides the fact that it's gorgeous. I don't think that there is such thing as putting too much of this on. It doesn't give like that frosty look. It definitely gives a nice glowy, bronzy look, and I think that it's winter right now. This looks awesome in the winter, and I think that it's going to look awesome in the summer, awesome in the spring, and awesome all year round. So I hope that they do keep this as a part of their collection. I've never tried any of the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders before. I've always heard really great things about them, but I also really wanted to support my girl Jackie because I've been watching her for years, and I'm really proud of her, especially with this collab, because she comes through for the sisters, and I've been looking for a new highlighter, and this came right in time. So go get it. If you don't have it already, go get it. I will have the link down below. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. I literally just ordered Le Peach, so when that one gets here, that one looks really pretty too. Le Peach is more suited for all skin tones, so even if you're like lighter skin or of a different ethnicity with more fair skin or something like that, I definitely would probably say go ahead and get the Le Peach. But if you guys want to wait for me, my package should be here in maybe about a week, and I'll do another video. All right, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.